Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a short tutorial and trick to quickly enhance your photos anytime, anywhere. So as you can see, I've already opened a landscape image here. So first I'm going to select half of the image just so you guys could see the difference this simple trick makes in an instant. Okay, now what you have to do is create another copy and go to the Gaussian blur tool and blur around 3 to 4 pixels depending on the quality, but don't blur too much, and then apply overlay. As you can see, this instantaneously enhances the colors and the contrast of the image. You can also adjust this and to your liking, and I don't know if you can see this, but it really makes a great impact. So there you have it.